Alright, check it out. We're here in the shop up in Red Deer. We're gonna do some welding. Well, my friend Corey's gonna do some welding. He's right over here. Got a big day ahead of us. What's up, Corey?
What's up, man?
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Strong man. He's got the Siggy and the jack and everything. Alright, we just jacked the van up here. We're gonna pop these wheels off and then get at these spring perches. That's what we're doing today. See how that one is.
Same thing.
Yeah, that was just
Floating
sweet.
around, you might as well just do this back.
Oh man, that's a rough scene. What do you think, Corey?
You didn't lose it. I have no idea.
Okay, here, I'll tell you what you can do. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, guys. So this spring perch over here is all rusted down here. So we're gonna take this off of the trailing arm and then we're gonna weld on some new ones. That's the plan.
Always want a well-ventilated area. You're doing this for sure. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of work to pry it off. But usually whenever I take the wire wheel to something rusty, there's freaking shit flying everywhere.
I noticed that from my face.
I don't know about this. This shit ain't moving, man.
Yeah, I pictured that coming off a lot easier, I'm not gonna lie.
Well that's why when you said you take a hammer and a chisel and chisel it off.
Classy.
You know.
Woo, look at that. Corey's going to town.
It's 10. Did you weld this on here?
Yeah, I even did that myself.
Did you miss the spot? So what we'll do is just kind of put everything back together, stick that on there, and then just tack it on the outside here? Or what do you want to do with it? Because they had it like tack welded in here.
Yeah, that's how I've seen it done on online, like on the Samba and stuff. And also seen like some people put like
A couple stitches. Or,
yeah, like some stitches around
that's what
it.
I would prefer. And I'll just kind of continue cleaning. I'll clean some more of this up and then we'll, we got to put everything together and then we'll weld it on there.
All right.
I think, because once it's up here, then we'll know exactly where it wants to be here or what.
Sure.
So this is all. Yes. The one that was rusted right off.
All right, what do we got going on here, Corey?
We got four stitches on here. We put 2 in the back side and then 2 up on the front side there. One.
What's happening?
Nothing. Are you gonna weld or what?
Everybody knows I'm the world's greatest welder. Give me. All right, watch. Watch this, motherfuckers. It's going down.
Just pull the trigger and do some welding.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm
All
recording.
right, check it out. Rob Moses, awesome welder.
First time ever.
But watch how fucking awesome this shit's gonna be. It's going down. Ready?
Yes. Keep going. Oh! Let's see.
How to get the flex?
Oh yeah, you got it welded. You did more on the angle than you did on the plate. See, this is mine without the welding hood. This is, okay. Come on, Rob.
All right. Let's
All
do
right.
this again. All right, so here we go. We got these perches on there, pretty good. It's pretty dark here, so it's kind of hard to see. Just hit a little primer and paint, and yeah, it's on there. Welded on good, so stoked. Here's the other side of Corey's fancy work over here. Got it welded in pretty good. Threw a little primer, a little paint. I'll throw these tires back on.
Happy?
Yo, yeah.
Steady, steady. Whoa, ho, ho. Done.
What a guy, what a guy.
Yeah, I tried.
All right, here goes the welding man. What's up, Corey? Thanks for doing the thing.